At SafetyQuip, one of our most popular product categories is hand protection, and specifically within the glove range, the welding glove range is particularly popular. These are three of our best. These three gloves are all part of the ProChoice range of welding gloves. They're part of the PYROMATE range. Now the first one, the black one, that's the PYROMATE Blackjack glove. That's an economy entry-level welder's glove. The next one is the PYROMATE Blue Halo glove. Now that's a premium welder's glove. The premium one has Kevlar stitching rather than cotton stitching. So when a hot spark lands on that Kevlar stitching, the Kevlar stitching will last considerably longer than cotton stitching, i.e. it won't burn as quickly and the glove fall apart. You can see that there's some gold leather on this one over the wear point. So that's an extra layer of leather to prolong the life of the glove. So across the palm, a particular wear point on the thumb, and across the back of the knuckles there. The last one is the PYROMATE Southpaw glove. Now that's what we call a lefty glove. Now they're supplied as a pair of left-handed gloves. So rather than getting a left and a right glove, you get two of the left one. Now that's for people that are right-handed when they're welding. When you're holding your welding equipment in your right hand, your right glove tends to last longer than your left one. The left one cops all the abuse. So you can replace the left-handed glove more frequently by way of purchasing lefties. That's the ProChoice PYROMATE range of gloves. They're three of the best. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.